teach you what they really mean by that BITVC. Okay, so the BitVC is just a means whereby you could earn more money. Okay, I want to explain that for Pidgin English so that for those of us who don't understand what in Mr. Davisi and later they talk since we go understand them now. It's very simple. It means you will get income now. For instance, after your trading, where you don't see your income, you fit still take them buy do this BITVC so that when you do am you go make extra gain the next day. Maybe if the next day trade go come around that kind 8:30, by 8 you go just withdraw your money from the BIT VC to your USDT. Although I go dey do the process now, but I just say make I explain. For instance, today I don't finish trade. Abi, all I just need to do now to click on this home button. If I click on this home button, it go take me come here. Now see the BITC here, BITVC. See am here. So you just click on it. You see, take me to this place. Nothing they show for all this place. All this place, nothing they show. If you see here now, it is empty. It is empty. This not the account. This not the history of waiting to accumulate. Very simple. Just move down. Now, if you move down, you go see subscription, which is here. Click on the subscription. So it take you here. See this place now. They show you your maximum amount where you get for your USDT. So all you just need to do is to click your maximum. Just use everything staker. Then you come to this tag. I have read and agreed. Conbiboa service agreement. So you just click on it so that you go show. Then you click confirm subscription. So you click on the confirm subscription. You see, you don't do them. How you go to know say the thing not successful? Click on this account. This place where this account they show. You go click on it. You click on the account, show within I get there. Because the thing never accumulate anything. Now make can like this. Okay, this one I have to be anything. Now your holding asset. So if you want say very simple, the same procedure when I do take come here. So more assume say I want sell afresh again, make you for understand. Just come here, click here. Now you see account. You need to click on account. You go click on account here. Click on it. It take me to this place. You see early redemption. If you just click early redemption, you don't come all your money back. You could just go to your USDT. That is just all. Okay, but don't need to show now. Just click here. Your money will go back to your USDT. So that is just all you need to do. So you see, Abby, as soon as I click it, you see say the thing show me confirm. It means I should confirm that I want this money to go back to my USDT. So as soon as I click confirm, the money automatically go back. So that is it, guys. I will leave until tomorrow evening before the trade. My still waiting, it go fee accumulate for me. Alright guys, thanks. Now don't forget to subscribe so I'm going to get more updates.